I want to show you the cutest TABA paws. Which animal's paws do you like best? Of course, in the first place are the kitten's paws. Second place, dogs. What do you think of Oreo-shaped TABA paws? There are also cute bunnies. Choose which squish do you like best. Squish avocado or cute chicken? Squish My Melody or Hello Kitty? Write in the comments which TABA paws you would like to see. Or maybe you can come up with your own unusual squish. Don't forget to subscribe and like.